there, welcome to Taylor's Classroom. Today I'm going to teach you about something that has become the new normal for us in the last few weeks, and that is Google Classroom. So to begin, I'm going to go to google.com, my Google page, and I'm going to go to this grid right here. This grid is going to be your new best friend. It has all of the programs that you could ever need or want in Google. And what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down until we see Classroom, and we're going to click on Classroom, and it's going to bring us to this page, Google Classroom. You're going to go over here to the little plus button, and you're going to click on that and hit create. Now at this point you could also join a class, but we're going to create one. Then you're going to go ahead and name your classroom. So this part is, as you can see, required. I'm just going to go ahead and name it that. These next three areas are optional, but you can go ahead and fill those in. For the purposes of this video, I'm not going to, and I'm going to click Create. Then it is going to create a classroom for me. And there it is. So it's prompting me to invite students, but we're not going to go ahead and do that just yet. And here's my Google Classroom. So now it is already set up, and I can go ahead and start customizing and editing things as I see fit. I will have more videos on Google Classroom and different tips and tricks. Please let me know what you'd like to see, what maybe you're struggling with, or maybe you want some ideas on how to do other things within Google. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.